In this video, we will cover how to customize the ESDAT field portal. By way of example, we are going to add the ability to collect noise monitoring data. We will add a group called Noise in the Location Visits form. This will have a date and time field and a drop-down for values such as morning, afternoon, and evening. If the reading taken field is set to yes, a noise reading will be able to be entered. When logged in as an admin user, I can view these settings in the field config. Here, I can review the field profiles and custom attributes. These are typically grouped with other related attributes. Click on Create New Field Group to create a noise group in the Location Visits form. Enter the label name, select its position, and add any further details before saving. Click on the Custom Attributes tab to access the Location Visit tab. Note that custom attributes for groundwater data and field chem can also be defined here. Click Create New Custom Field. Different types of attributes are supported, including selection from a list, free text, Boolean, integer, and numeric values. Firstly, create a date and time field called noise_date_time. The field code must contain only letters, numbers, underscores, or dashes. The display label is what users see when adding data to the form, which is noise, date, time. Select the value type of date and assign the attribute to the newly created group. Finally, enter 1 in the order field to display this first on the form. Once everything is done, click Create to save. The next custom field is a drop-down for the noise period. Enter the field code noise_period and the relevant label. Select the value type as string. Select the newly created noise group and set the order as 2. Here you can add possible values such as morning, afternoon, and evening. It's possible to allow the selection of multiple values or enter other values not listed. Click Update to save and add the next custom field. An attribute can be said to be hidden or excluded if another field has a particular value. Next, we will create a Boolean field that indicates if a noise reading was taken. Enter the field code as reading_taken and the label as reading taken. Choose Boolean as the value type. Select the group, the default value to false, and set the order to 3. Next, create the noise reading field, which will be excluded from the form if no reading was taken, for example, if the reading taken field is false. Enter the field code as noise_reading and its label as noise reading. Select the value type as small integer, choose the noise group and set the order to appear fourth. Select the exclusion source field to the reading_taken field just created and the exclusion source field value to false. This means that if the field reading taken has a value of false, the noise reading field will not be shown. Update to review the list of custom fields. Once custom attributes have been configured, they can be included in the field profiles. Select the field profile, click on the Location Visits Custom Attributes tab. Select all these custom attributes for inclusion on the Location Visits form and click Save Changes. When viewing the Location Visit Details form, the group Noise and its custom fields are now visible for collecting data. Noise, date, time can be set. Noise period can be selected, and when reading is taken, it can be recorded. Thank you for watching. Further documentation is available online at the ESDAT support portal.